Welcome back. Today we are going to get a pig going here. So let's get our basic shapes going. Our first circle. Now we're going to do another circle this way. Another circle this way. Let's see, we're going to get some eyes going on here. And then another circle like that. Oh, I think you know where we're going with this. Let's get some ears going here. Little triangle type thing. Okay, that's just the very basics. Maybe we'll flesh this part out a little bit. Get that basic shape going on here. There we go. Now it's time to take out your marker and we're just going to rough this in. Let's get started with these ears. There we go. Put the little line on the inside there to give the ear some definition. Finish off the top of the head here. We're going to put a little curlicue here for the pig's head. I'm going to make this nose a lot bigger than what I did here because we've got to clearly define this guy as being a pig. There we go. Put the nostrils in. There we go. Let's just fill out the rest of this face. Trace around what we already did. Oh yes, we're just going to give him a little smile. And then we'll finish off the eyes. Remember to do those little half moons for the eyelids. Finish off the eyes. We'll just do a little character mark outside of each of the eyes here. And there you have it. You have your pig. Again, all you have to do is erase those pencil lines and you have yourself a finished piece of art. We will see you for the next one. Have a wonderful day.